In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert an infinity symbol into your Microsoft Word document. It's a handy little trick that can save you time and add that nice touch to your documents. Whether you're working on a math assignment, crafting a logo, or simply want to jazz up your work. This is going to be super simple and quick, perfect even for those new to using Microsoft Word. Let's begin with your Microsoft Word file open in front of you. Having it ready is key because we're about to make the magic happen right there. If you don't have a document open or you're starting fresh, go ahead and open Word and create a new file or just access the document you need to edit. The focus here is on where you'd like the infinity symbol to appear, so click on the exact spot in your document where this symbol is to be inserted. Now for the fun part, in that spot, go ahead and type out 221E right there inside your document. Don't worry if it looks somewhat random or meaningless just now. This little sequence is actually a secret code within Microsoft Word, and you're on the verge of seeing why. After you've typed 221E, it's time to create the magic. Hit Alt and X on your keyboard simultaneously, and voila! The numbers transform into the infinity symbol, as if by magic. It's quite satisfying to see and an amazing time saver. If everything went according to plan, congratulations, you're done. You've successfully inserted an infinity symbol right into your document. It might feel like a small step, but knowing how to quickly enter special symbols can significantly enhance your workflow. If, for some reason, the symbol doesn't appear, make sure you type the code exactly as mentioned, 221E, and double-check that you pressed Alt and X together after the code. These steps are crucial and should work seamlessly on most versions of Word. Practice these steps a few times, and before you know it, you'll be adding symbols quickly and effortlessly without even thinking about it. Remember, these kinds of shortcuts can be applied to various other symbols and characters as well, so it's worthwhile exploring and practicing them. The possibilities with what you can do in Word are virtually endless once you get the hang of it. Enjoy your new symbol creating prowess and feel free to use this trick anytime it suits you. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this tip as useful as I do in your daily document editing tasks.